Right, this is my video on what to do about crusty kind of badges like this on your car. It's not going to get any better, but it's going to only get worse if I don't do something. So the trick is I'm going to lacquer it. Clean it down with brake fluid cleaner so it dries quick. Don't want to rub any dirt in or anything like that. It's properly clean on the badge mainly. Simply, next thing is to mask it off. Put paper all around. My masking tape and paper all around. It's starting to rain, so I'm gonna have to be rushed for time to do this. Right, so all you gotta do is mask it off, and I've got a layer of masking tape underneath and a layer of this paper on top. I'm using the heavy duty lacquer again. Spray it over. Because it's raining, what I'm doing is just making sure the rain doesn't get it. Give it a few, maybe like, it takes about 2 hours to dry, but give it 20 minutes and I'll peel off the paper before it's dry. Remember that, don't forget. Right, please hit like, subscribe. This is what you do, what I do, to stop the badges from going rusty, especially on these Ford ones. Apart from that, they're very good.